Assalamu alaikum my dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. The story I am going to tell you today, it is the story of young Johnson. The story took place in the state of America, Alabama. Johnson was born in a very poor family. When he became 7 years old, his father died. It was a big disaster for his family. And after the death of his father, there was no one to support them financially. In his family, there was his mother and his young sister. His sister was just 4 years old when her father died. And Johnson had to work in the market to make money to support his family, because after the death of his father, there was no one to support them financially. One day, his mother took him to the bazaar. It was a very crowded bazaar, and it was the bazaar where people could get every necessity of life. His mother went to the carpenter shop and she left him to carpenter shop. He worked with the carpenter as an apprentice. He learned the work, he worked hard in this field, but the money he made, it was not sufficient to make both ends meet. He could not make a lot of money, even he was deprived of basic necessities of life. After spending 1 year, he realized that in this field he could not make a lot of money, and he said this field bye-bye. When he said bye-bye, he joined the shop of a cloth. He went to the cloth shop. He worked there as a salesman. He started selling clothes there, and he had developed the good quality to sell the clothes to the clients. He spent 3 years there. After spending 3 years in the shop of the clothing, he realized that in this field he could survive. And after spending 3 or 4 more years, one day he came by a very wild idea to develop the business of his own. To develop the business of his own, it was not a wild idea. The wild idea was that he would become a billionaire by making illegal money. It doesn't matter he used illegal ways to make money, but what matters, he wanted to be a billionaire. It was his dream, it was his aim of the life. After spending 1 more year with the view of starting his own business, he started making good money. He started receiving the clients and he collected some money. With this money, he opened his own shop in the bazaar. When he opened the shop, he had already got the clients where he worked as a salesman. Now he had clients in his touch. He started his own business of clothing, and he tempted all clients to come to him and buy cloth. In the beginning, he showed them good quality cloth and demanded the good quality money, and client trusted him and they obliged him. After 2 years, when he won the trust of his clients, then he started deceiving them. He showed them good quality cloth, but the cloth he gave them, it was of low quality, and the money he got from them, it was of high quality. By deceiving them and by making money illegal means, after 6 years, he bought almost 3 to 4 more shops in the same bazaar where he came as an apprentice to work with carpenter. When he bought 4 more shops in the bazaar, he started making more monies, and money after money he started making. And when you have money, it collects a lot of money, and he became a millionaire man. But the money he made, it was not legal. It was not white money, it was black money. He made this all money by using hook or crook means. He did not care the clients, he did not care the humanity. He just focused to become a billionaire and a rich man. There was a person, his name was William. William was an old man who was 70 years old guy. Throughout his life he did not make a lot of money. Even he did not have any family. He did not have any children. He did not have any wife. Throughout his life he became a free man. When he had a free time, he came to his shop and he used to spend his time with Johnson. Johnson offered him tea, biscuits and other things, and he was happy to spend his time with Johnson. When Johnson was busy in making illegal money, he a bundle of times advised him not to use hook or crook means, but he overlooked his advice. Even he criticized one day this old guy, and he neglected this old guy. This old man got worried about Johnson, but then he did not advise him ever. One day, Johnson got up in the morning and he felt little pain in his right leg. The pain could be felt. It was not very harsh. He neglected this pain 1 or 2 days more. After 3 days, this pain became severe. And when it became severe, he realized that there was a little globo into his leg. He went to the doctor and examined it. Doctor medicated him. Doctor examined him and gave him medicine. He got home and he started using medicine. But unfortunately, medicine did not affect it. He went to another doctor. Doctor gave him medicine. He could not be cured. 1 year passed away. After 1 year, when he went to the doctor and he was stunned and started weeping, what doctor said to him? Doctor said that this wound is going to be a tumor in future and there is no treatment for it. His leg had to be cut off from his body. It is the final solution to save his life. When Johnson heard this, he was depressed about his life. He started weeping, crying. He got home and he told the news in his surroundings. What people could do for him? People could do nothing for him. Then he realized the advice of old man who advised him not to deceive the people and not to make illegal money. His leg must be cut off from his body. Before the night of his surgery, he went to the church. He went to the church. He begged pardon of his crime to God. He praised God and he demanded mercy to God. Whole night he spent in church. He wept, cried and begged pardon to God of his crime. And he promised God if he would give him health, he would give away all his wealth to the needy section of the society. The night passed away, the day of the surgery came. He went to the hospital, and when he got the hospital, his visit of the hospital was very surprising to everyone, even the team of the doctor. It was very surprising. When they examined his wound, they realized that his wound was going to be recovered. It would be recovered in future and there is no need to cut off his leg. It was a miracle. In fact, it was beyond the science when doctor realized that first they had to cut off his leg. Now there is no reason to cut his leg off. His wound would be recovered in soon. It is recoverable now. Johnson got home. According to his promise, he collected and invited all poor, needy, destitute widows at his home, and he gave away all his wealth to the needy people. It is said that after spreading his wealth to the needy and poor people, he became healthier than he was before, and his wound recovered. Johnson worked hard again in the same market, and this time he worked hard with an extreme honesty, and he spent more 10 years in the same bazaar where he came as an apprentice to the carpenter. After spending 10 years more, he became richer when he was before, when he used illegal means to make money. He became richer than before, and this time when he became rich, he earned money with an extreme honesty. Thank you for watching.